Today, we're going to dive into the ultimate guide to incorporating elderberry into your diet. Elderberry, packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting properties, is a versatile ingredient that can elevate both the taste and health benefits of your diet. So, let's get started. Elderberries can be a flavorful and nutritious addition to your diet when used in various forms. Here are some ways to incorporate elderberry into your meals and snacks. Number 1. Elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is a popular and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of elderberries. It can be consumed directly by the spoonful, added to tea, yogurt, or oatmeal, or used as a topping for pancakes or waffles. It can also be used as a sweetener in salad dressings or drizzled over desserts like ice cream. Number 2. Elderberry jam or jelly. Did you know that elderberry can also be used to make jams and jellies? Simply simmer the berries with a bit of sugar and lemon juice, and in no time, you'll have a delightful spread for your toast or biscuits. You can also use it as a filling for pastries or thumbprint cookies. Number 3. Elderberry smoothies. Another great way to enjoy elderberry is through smoothies. Blend a handful of fresh or frozen elderberries with your favorite fruits and a splash of almond milk. It adds a burst of flavor and a nutritional punch to your daily routine. Number 4. Elderberry tea. You can make elderberry tea by steeping dried elderberries in hot water. Steep a handful of dried elderberries in hot water for about 10 minutes, and voila! Add a dash of honey or lemon for extra flavor. You have a refreshing and soothing tea that's perfect for those chilly evenings. Elderberry tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. Number 5. Elderberry compote. Simmer elderberries with a little water and sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, to make a compote. Serve it as a topping for yogurt, oatmeal, or pancakes, or as a side dish with poultry or pork. Number 6. Baking. Incorporate dried elderberries into baked goods like muffins, scones, or bread. They can add a burst of flavor and a touch of tartness to your treats. Number 7. Elderberry salad dressing. Blend elderberry syrup with olive oil, vinegar, and your choice of seasonings to create a unique and fruity salad dressing. Number 8. Elderberry chutney. Make an elderberry chutney by combining elderberries with ingredients like apples, onions, vinegar, and spices. This chutney pairs well with cheeses, grilled meats, or roasted vegetables. Number 9. Elderberry ice cream or sorbet. Create homemade elderberry-flavored ice cream or sorbet using elderberry syrup or puree. It's a refreshing treat, especially during hot weather. The possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the sweet goodness of elderberries in a whole new way. Number 10. Elderberry vinegar. Infuse vinegar with elderberries for a unique and flavorful condiment. Use it in salad dressings or marinades. Number 11. Elderberry gummies. Now, we can't forget about elderberry gummies. These are not only fun to eat but also a great way to get your daily dose of elderberry on the go. You can find them at your local health store, or better yet, make your own with elderberry syrup and gelatin. Remember that elderberries should be cooked or processed before consumption, as raw elderberries can contain compounds that may be toxic if not properly prepared. Also, be cautious with portion sizes, as elderberries have a strong flavor, and a little goes a long way. If you are using elderberry supplements or extracts, follow the recommended dosage on the product label. When incorporating elderberries into your diet, it's essential to ensure you are using safe and reputable sources, as well as practicing moderation to avoid any potential side effects or adverse reactions. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the wonderful world of elderberries. Incorporating this superfood into your diet can have numerous health benefits. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how you like it. And that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.